Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and good in your home. And welcome back to your next English class. This is your Nupur ma'am and I hope you are enjoying your videos and your chapters and all. Right. So without delaying our time, I will start today's class. So in this week, in this running week, I have completed this chapter, the inexperienced host, and one more chapter, that is this chapter, Dr. Gore and the giggling ghost, right? So I hope there will be no problem with you. So if there will be any problem, you can ask me. So now it's time to discuss question and answer, right? As I told you that after completing the chapter, I will discuss with you. So before it, one thing I will tell, if there will be any problem, okay, definitely you can ask me in comment box, or you have the number of mine, okay, so you can call me also, okay, so you can call me also, you can ask me if there will be any problem to understand, okay. So in this time I will discuss one thing. I will discuss this question and answer with you, but in this time you have to write the answers by yourself, okay. You have to write, try to write. Definitely I will discuss today, okay. I will say you the answers today. Listen to me very carefully, okay. I will show you the answer by myself. Before that, today I will discuss and you will write by yourself, okay. I hope you can understand, okay. আমি নিশ্চয়ই তোমাদের কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্ড আনসার অবভিয়াসলি এখন বলে দেবো এবং দেখাবো, বাট তার আগে তোমরা নিজেরা একটু চেষ্টা করো আনসার্সগুলো লেখার। I want to see your trial, okay. If there will be wrong, that is okay. I am here to clarify it and to modify it, okay. So please do it. See, these are the question of tick the most appropriate option. See, Evans shouted because he didn't believe Clayton's tale at all, was afraid of meeting a ghost, could not be heard over the noise in this room, was excited by the idea of a ghost. Which one should be perfect? You can see it, see in this portion you can see Evans shouted, tell us all about it right now. I don't think it will come again ever, said Clayton. This a conversation started, right? Caused a ghost, did you, said Sanderson. You mean you didn't keep it, asked Sanderson. We laughed and Clayton looked up offended. It really was a ghost. I am not joking. You talked to it, asked which. So you can understand what should be there. Even shouted, tell us all about it right now. So which one should be perfect? Didn't believe Clayton's tale at all. Tale means golpo, right? Was afraid of meeting a ghost. Could not be heard over the noise of the room. I think the first should be perfect. Didn't believe Clayton's tale at all, okay. Now it is your own opinion. I am not telling it is right. You should think it, okay. Next, the ghost had come to the club because he did not know where to go, thought it would be fun to haunt, wanted to frighten children, had been told to come there. I think second one, thought it would be fun to haunt, right? I think now it is your duty to read all the chapter, then you can give the answer. Next, the ghost could not disappear as he had forgotten the way back. He had not finished haunting. Clayton was secretly watching him, or he had forgotten the last moves. Which one should be perfect? You will get in this chapter. If you read the chapter wellly, then you can understand. It is your duty to complete, right? Next, Wish, which is a name. Wish was frightened because he felt Clayton's moves would make him disappear, or was worried the ghost would come back, or thought that the ghost was still around, or felt it was not right to do the moves of the ghost, okay. You will do it. This is your homework, you have to do, okay. Just write this all question and answer in your copy, and for your future perfection, and then you have to send me in comment box, otherwise I can't understand, okay. Next, see the questions. These are the most important things. See the questions. The mess he had made of haunting had saddened him terribly. These are the lines. You can see these are the lines, and from the line the questions are there. Okay, so I am showing you the line. See, this is the line. The maze he had made of haunting had saddened him terribly. He had, right? I hope you can see the line. Okay, so come to the question. See, the maze he had made of haunting had saddened him terribly. What is the question? Who had made a maze of haunting? Who? By this line, what do you understand? By this line is told by whom? About whom? Not by whom, about whom? The ghost or Clayton? Who? So who had made a maze of haunting? You have to give answer. How had he done it? How had he done it? How he came to this matter that all the maze of haunting, and it was sad. Okay, how had he done it? Okay, why was he came here? What was there to haunt? Okay, you have to think this. And then, why was he sad? Why was he sad? First of all, you have to think who this is, and how had he done, and why was he sad. Okay, next. Clayton, said I, you are a very good liar. Clayton, you are a very good liar. This line you will get inside the chapter. You can see in this page. You can find in this page, or there also you can see, right? So you have to find it in your chapter inside, in your paragraphs inside. Okay, so then you can give this answer. See, Clayton, said I means other one, someone else. He said that, Clayton, you are a very good liar. Why did the narrator say this? Narrator means who is narrating this story. Why did the narrator say this? Okay, you have to write this. Why? You will find it in your chapter inside. Next, this shot is not going to snatch Clayton into the world of darkness. Who says this and why? This shot is not going to snatch Clayton into the world of darkness. Who says this and why? You will get inside the chapter. By this time you have to read all the chapter very properly, all the lines very properly. Then you will find, otherwise not. Then see, this line already you have got. I was showing you the lines. Clayton, said I, you are a very good liar. So why did narrator say this? I would rather you didn't said wish. That's what I am going to do, said Clayton. Clayton, said I, you are a very good liar. That disappearance happened to be convincing. Clayton stood up for a moment. He regarded his feet. He rested his... okay, so these are the portion you will get. And now this is another line. So that line also is here. You can see. Okay. See this line. This shot is not going to snatch Clayton into the world of darkness. Who says this and why? Whenever you will find this line, you will get who says this and why. What sort of thing? What kind of thing? Sort means kind. What sort of thing is he talking about? Okay. So please try to do it, and definitely you have to send me in comment box. Next. Take turns to role play the conversation between the ghost and the Clayton. It is your... don't have to do, because it is a conversation. It will be a conversation. It will be just like a role play. Okay. If you will be in the school, if you will be classroom, then it will be possible. Otherwise not, right? Okay. Next is this question. See, how did Clayton convince his friends that he had seen a real ghost? How did Clayton convince? At the first, you remember that his friends were not going to believe him. So how did Clayton convince his friends that he had seen a real ghost? Okay. Next, did Clayton help the ghost find his way back? How? Yes, he helped the ghost to find the way back, and how he helped you can see. Next, what do you think happened in the end? At the end of the story, what happened? Was the whole thing a joke? This whole story was a joke? Did something really happen? Or did really it was something happened? Did Clayton disappear? Or did he wake up? Okay, so these are the very simple question. Okay, if you read all the chapter, then you can find the answers very well. Okay, see, definitely you can get. He wasn't going, it was all nonsense. He had told a story, that was all nothing. Okay, so you can understand this was just a joke, and this was all jokes or lol, this was a true story or not. Okay, so you can understand it. And next, some more questions are there. These are also from the lines. Will laughed and Clayton looked offended. The first paragraph, you can see it. Will laughed and Clayton looked offended, right? Okay, so offended means insulted. Okay, why was Clayton offended by their laughter, by their friends? Because all of them were not going to trust him, was not going to believe him, right? Okay, there's some little thing that has slipped me and I can't get back. Slipped me means here slipped from my mind. Okay, what little thing had been forgotten by the ghost? Okay, next, I said in a tone of friendly superiority. A tone of superiority means is to speak proudly as though you are better than the person you are speaking to. মানে তুমি যে মানুষের সাথে কথা বলছো তার থেকে তুমি অনেক বেটার, তার থেকে তুমি অনেক ভালো. What does friendly superiority mean? So I hope now you can write what does friendly superiority mean, right? Why do you think Clayton spoke like this to the ghost? Okay, so now I think you can give these answers, so try this all. Okay, and try, and from the next chapter, means Dr. Gore, from this chapter there are also some questions. See, these sentences briefly tell you the story of giggling ghost. Okay, however they are in the wrong order, number them correctly. So you can see the lines. Okay, you can see the lines. Now you have to arrange. First of all, you have to read the story properly. Okay, and you have to remember all the story sequentially, that what happened after what. প্রত্যেকটি ঘটনা তোমাদেরকে ভালোভাবে মনে রাখতে হবে, right? That is what I am telling. Next, what do you have to do? These lines are not in order, means these are the all story written in small lines. Okay, so you have to read all the lines, then you have to remember the story, and then you have to arrange the lines orderly. Okay, so this I hope you can do. This is also your homework you have to do. And next, these are the questions I will discuss on the next video. Before that, till here do it. Okay, and wait for the next video. Okay, so thank you so much, and please try to do it and send into comment box. And this is you will ask ma'am how we will send it. You can put a number here 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this, and thus you can send me into comment box. Okay, and if you have any problem to understand anywhere, you can ask me in comment box, or you can call me also. Okay, so thank you so much, have a nice day.